The federal government is planning further changes to the private health insurance rebate. These changes will be bad for your health and your hip pocket. But it's not too late for you to make a difference and tell the government that your cover matters. In Australia, we have two complementary and important health systems, public and private. The public health system is funded by federal and state governments through taxes and levies, including the federal Medicare levy. Private healthcare is funded mostly by individuals, but is also partly subsidised through the federal government's private health insurance rebate. Approximately 50% of Australians have private health insurance. They are young, old, singles and families, and many have low incomes. The private health insurance rebate encourages more Australians to have private health insurance. The more people with private health insurance, the less pressure on the public system. And that's good for all of us. Without a strong private health sector, Australia's public system simply will not cope. For example, private health insurance helps pay for many serious procedures that would otherwise need to be done in the public system. The federal government recently began means testing the rebate, making private health insurance more expensive for many Australians. And now they're about to make further changes that will make cover even more expensive. Firstly, the government will no longer pay the rebate on the lifetime health loading component of premiums. If you took out hospital insurance after your 31st birthday, you will likely be paying the lifetime health cover loading on top of your standard premium. If you receive the private health insurance rebate, it currently applies to both your lifetime health cover loading and your base premium. But now, the government wants to remove the rebate from the lifetime health cover loading. This means that if you incur the loading and are entitled to the rebate, from July 1, 2013, you will be paying more. Secondly, the government wants to cap the indexation of the rebate to CPI. Historically, each year private health insurance premiums have increased to reflect the growing cost of healthcare. Until now, increases in premiums have been mirrored by an increase in the rebate, ensuring the rebate you receive keeps pace with the true cost of private health insurance. Now the government plans to cap the increases in the rebate to a level that does not reflect the likely growing cost of private health insurance. If premiums rise at a rate in excess of the cap and you are entitled to the rebate, the proportion of your premium which is covered by the government rebate will become smaller and smaller, meaning you will have to pay more. These changes will make health insurance more expensive and less accessible. They will force more people back into the public health system, adding to waiting times and reducing the level of care available to you and your family. And it's the people who earn the least that will hurt the most. These changes will be bad for the health care of every Australian, but they haven't happened yet. Help us stop these changes. Sign our petition at www.mycovermatters.com.au and tell your local MP that you support the private health insurance rebate. Your cover matters, and so does your voice. Act now.